How to download music on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download music on Spotify. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now just a quick note, downloading music on Spotify is only available for Spotify premium users. So if you are on the free plan, you need to upgrade first. So simply find the playlist or album or even podcast episode that you want to download and tap on it to open. And once you have opened it, simply look for the download icon or the download toggle at the top of the playlist or album and just tap on it. And the Spotify will begin downloading all the songs in that list. As you can see, I haven't joined the Spotify Premium, but if you have, then you can simply download it by tapping on here. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.